All right, kids, here is the last bit. Lesson 3, Level 5. Uh, the last of the Birds of a Feather app. I think this is where I'm going to mess with this collections button, favorites, and getting that stuff set up, which is why I was having that error before, because that button was not set up. So I've set my declared my variables, taken care of the of updating home screen function. I've updated the favorite screen function. I've done the right button and left button on the home screen. I've done the favorites right button and favorites left button on the favorites screen. And I have done the random button on the home screen. So what is left for me to do now is, I believe, find the on event for the favorites button and write the code that will accomplish the following. I want to append an item command to add the name and picture data to our two favorites lists, favorite names and favorite pictures. So let's go to the on event for the favorite button. Here it is. And what I want to do is I want to append item, and I want to add the name and picture data to our two favorite lists. So I will go favorite names, and what I want to add to that is the names index. And then I want to append the item and do the same thing for favorite pictures. So this is when I click on the favorite button. Here's what it's doing. So I'm going to append the pictures index. All right, so that is when I click on that favorite button, it's going to add the name and the list into the favorites names and favorite pictures. I think I spelled pictures wrong. That would give me problems. All right, so look, should we use the watcher? So let's use the watcher. Not like that. Let's use the watcher, and let's put in the favorite names. All right, we'll add the watcher. And so let's run this. And as I go through, click on the favorite button. It added the American Redstart. Click on again. Should add the Belted Kingfisher, and I accidentally clicked it twice, so it added it twice. So that seems to be working. That seems to be working. Okay, so changing screens. So let's see, we want to change our screens. So our final step in the development of this app will allow the user to click back and forth. So I need to find that little element. So that is the heart icon. Got it. So there's the heart icon. When I click on the heart icon, I want to set the screen to end up being the favorite screen. And likewise, when I hit on the home icon, I want to set the screen to be the favorite screen. And I guess I better put... Nope, that was wrong. Not favorite screen. Home screen. And I guess I'll need quotes around this one too. And that should get me back and forth. And I need to find the on event for the heart icon. I think I did that. I set the screen, so I'm pretty good there. Should I test my code? Let's run it. So toggle through, add a favorite. The only thing I need to do is add the string for this to make that work. So that button there is working. It's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So that's good. So the only thing that is left for me to do is to do this last screen. So create the all favorite string that will be displayed on the favorite screen by doing the following. I need to go, let's see, where do I have to go to do this? The on event for the heart icon. So here's my heart icon. So I want to do all favorites equals Tonka, sit right here, my lap making noises. Favorite names. And I probably need to do this first. I'm going to make a nice fancy little plus favorite names. And then I need to do the join dot join. And then this is where I need to put in the in quotes escape sequence. And I'll put 1, 2, 3 there. I think that's all I have to do. I think that's going to work. All right, should we run this and see what happens? Let's run this. All right, so I can toggle to the right. I like this. Toggle to the right. I like this. Pick a random bird. I like that. Let's go to the favorites. And you can see everything is there. The Arctic tern, so is that the blue-footed boothby or whatever it is? And tuft puffin. So I can go back and forth there. So that is all there is. That is the end of the Birds of a Feather app. If you made it this far, good work to you.